How to see YouTube watch history. Whether you just want to find the videos that you watched previously or just want to scroll through the history that you have been through YouTube. All you need to do is follow these few simple steps. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talks. So first thing first, open YouTube on a device. Once you do that, on bottom right hand side of your screen, you will find this option use, so tap on it. So here on top of your screen, you will find this option history. So here, if you scroll, then you will find all the videos that you have watched, or you want to go like in depth, then simply tap on history, and then there you go. So here you will find all the shorts that you have watched, and below are the videos that you have watched. So these are the shorts and these are the videos. So if you scroll down, you will find all the timelines like Saturday, Friday, Thursday. So you will find all the videos that you have watched previously. So there you go. So this is how you can watch history on YouTube. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.